The GoPro Max 2 has been coming for a long time, and now we know we'll have to wait even longer. GoPro CEO Nicholas Woodman previously confirmed in the latest earnings call that the long-awaited 360-degree camera won't be arriving until 2025. That's another delay for a product that was first teased in September 2023 and initially expected to launch in late 2024. While the reasons for the delay aren't entirely clear, it's safe to assume GoPro is taking its time to refine the Max 2. But with Insta360 already leading the market with the X4, will the Max 2 be worth the wait? GoPro's first Max camera launched in October 2019, and while it impressed with its stabilization and ease of use, it's now more than 5 years old. At that time, Insta360 released 4 iterations of its 360-degree cameras, including the latest Insta360 X4, which shoots 8K video and offers significant improvements over its predecessors. GoPro has a lot of catching up to do, and the delay raises questions about whether the Max 2 will be able to match or surpass what's already available. GoPro has remained tight-lipped about the Max 2's features, but we do know a few things. The company has mentioned an upgraded cooling system, which suggests a more powerful processor and higher resolution video recording. Given that the original Max topped out at 5.6K resolution, the Max 2 will likely need to hit at least 8K to stay competitive. Pricing will also be a key factor, with the first Max launching at USD $499.99. If GoPro sticks to that price point, it will be competing directly with the Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 has set a high bar for 360-degree cameras. It offers 8K recording at 30 FPS, 5.7K at 60 FPS, and slow motion capabilities at 3K, 240 FPS. It also boasts improved battery life, lasting up to 135 minutes at 5.7K or 75 minutes at 8K. If GoPro wants the Max 2 to be a serious competitor, it will need to match or exceed these specs. One major area where GoPro could have an advantage is image processing. Leaks suggest that GoPro has redesigned the Max 2's body to include better heat dissipation, which could allow for higher quality video and longer recording times. The company is known for its advanced stabilization technology, and if the Max 2 can offer better low light performance and superior image stitching, it could still carve out a space in the market. If GoPro wants the Max 2 to compete with the Insta360 X4, and maybe even beat it, the camera needs some serious upgrades. The most important one is 8K video at 60 FPS. The X4 already delivers 8K at 30 FPS, so GoPro has to match or exceed that. A higher frame rate would be a game changer, especially for creators who want ultra-smooth footage. Another key area is slow motion recording. The Insta360 X4 offers impressive slow motion options, with 5.7K at 120 FPS and 3K at 240 FPS. If GoPro can push these numbers even higher, maybe 5.7K at 240 FPS, it would give action shooters an even bigger reason to choose the Max 2. Battery life is another major concern. The leaked details indicate that the Max 2 was redesigned into a more compact body, which could make fitting a large battery difficult. However, GoPro has reportedly improved cooling, which could help with power efficiency. Longer recording times would make the Max 2 a more reliable tool for adventure filming. On the photo side, higher resolution stills are a must. The X4 captures 72 megapixel stills, which is far beyond what the original GoPro Max could do. If GoPro can match or beat that, the Max 2 could become a go-to camera for immersive photography. Finally, seamless image stitching is crucial. The original Max had issues with stitching due to its lens placement. The leaked images suggest GoPro has redesigned the lenses, which could lead to smoother, more natural-looking 360-degree footage. If done right, this could be a huge selling point. There's always the chance that GoPro has something unexpected in store. Rumors suggest the Max 2 could use Sony IMX677 sensors, which would be a solid upgrade over the original. However, the biggest potential improvement could be in how GoPro processes its footage. If the company can offer better in-camera processing, superior color science, or a new way to edit 360-degree footage easily, it could give the Max 2 a real advantage over the competition. With all these delays, some people are questioning whether GoPro has fallen too far behind in the 360-degree camera market. Insta360 has dominated this space, continuously improving its cameras while GoPro has remained quiet. But that doesn't mean the Max 2 is doomed. 360-degree cameras are still a growing market, with new use cases emerging all the time. GoPro has also been investing heavily in R&D, and we haven't seen many major innovations in its hero action cameras lately. That suggests the company is putting its resources into something else, possibly the Max 2. GoPro also has a strong software ecosystem, thanks to its subscription service. If the Max 2 is well integrated into GoPro's ecosystem, offering features like cloud backup, AI-powered editing, or better sharing tools, it could help the camera stand out. There's also the legal side of things to consider. GoPro has been involved in legal battles with Insta360 over patent issues, and while it's unclear how these disputes will play out, they could impact the market landscape. The GoPro Max 2 has been a long time coming, and while the delays are frustrating, they might indicate that GoPro is working on something special. With the Insta360 X4 already offering 8K recording and strong performance, GoPro needs to deliver a camera that not only matches but exceeds expectations. If GoPro can offer better processing, improved battery life, and a competitive price point, the Max 2 could still be a top choice for 360-degree content creators. However, if it arrives in 2025 with specs that are only on par with the X4, it may struggle to gain traction. At this point, all we can do is wait and see. But one thing is clear. If GoPro wants to reclaim its spot at the top of the 360-degree camera market, the Max 2 needs to be a game changer. So what do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.